main topic is given to our group is that how should be the school in future. So as that discussion is going on in our group, so I will conclude or the point out what the group said to me. So as you know, there are main three pillars of any school. One of them is the student. So the everything should be child centered. And second is the infrastructure of the school. What kind of the infrastructure of the school should be. And third is the teacher. So what kind of faculties are available to these students. So education should be child centered. The child should be the main point of education in future. And education should be vocational. That after the education, the child shall get his job. And the syllabus is designed in such a way that all kinds of activities, co-curricular activities should be included in the course, and the exam should be based on the assessment, like not only the paper exams. If a student is good in sports, so the exam should be conducted in sports. If a student is good in music, dancing, painting, so everything should be included in the syllabus. So such kind of syllabus should be designed that a child shall get his opportunities after the education. Second thing that we should keep in mind while the future education, that is the digitization. So as the time progresses, so we are more becoming digital. So the classroom should be digital, smart boards, and if you teach anything, the animation should be available on the board, so that the teacher, the main work of the teacher should be only guide the students. So digitization is the main important thing in future schools. Second is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence same as the smart class or robotic teacher. That is a mechanical teacher, a robotic teacher. So future schools should also be based on artificial intelligence. And co-education must be compulsory. Lot of people talk we are the conservative society, that there are different school for the girls, different school for boys. So we prefer that co-education should be in the future. Third, yoga and medicine should be compulsory. As the time passes, the life becoming short and fast. So the world may be stressful. So the yoga and meditation also be compulsory in future education. Evaluation, the method of evaluation that we conducted nowadays, exam at the end of the session. So I think the evaluation is not a good thing, it's the burden on the student. So to make the burden less, so our target in future is that school-based assessment. School-based assessment means that we should not be done, we should not evaluate a student at the end of the session. We should evaluate a student every time, at the end of 3 months, at the end of 2 months. So school-based assessment should be in the future of the school. So thank you. These are the main ideas.